Hi, it's HMD and today I'll show you how to fix HMD Arc Bluetooth pairing fails. So first, go into the settings. Right here, navigate into the system. In system we have reset options and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then hit reset. Go into the quick settings, disable the Bluetooth, enable it again, click and hold, pair new device, then wait for it to load, click on your device, we need to wait, and then hit pair on both devices. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.